So today we're going to be doing your basic unicorn. We've got one white balloon, 260Q, and we're using Qualitex on these ones, and we've got one nice and bright balloon. It can be any colour. I'm using a chrome because I love the chrome. Now grab your white balloon and inflate it quite a way up. You need about 4 fingers worth of space at the end. Then go back down. This is going to start off quite like a balloon dog, but when you get to the ears, you're going to do the teeniest, tiniest little ears you possibly can, because obviously ears are not big features of unicorns or horses for that matter. So we're just going to do 2 little tiny ones that are going to help us tuck the mane and the horn in there. Once you've measured out the ears, you're going to measure down for the neck and then measure down a little bit further for the first leg. Fold it back up and twist those 2 together. Now you can position it correctly. You only want a short little body in comparison to when you're making a balloon dog. And then as you measure out for the back leg, try and make it roughly the same length as the front legs. And then as you twist in the back, you can just leave the excess balloon on the end there as the tail, or if you want to, you can actually split the really bright balloon and have that as part of the tail as well. But for this one, we're just going to go really speedy quick and have this version. So now grab your super bright balloon. This is another 260 I'm using, and I'm inflating it just like I would for a bracelet, about 4 or 5 fingers worth inflated. Now I'm going to create lots and lots of bubbles holding onto them as I go, because if you let go, they're going to all come undone. Oh, you want an even number, so I recommend about 6 or maybe 8 tops. I don't recommend any more or any less, otherwise it just doesn't quite stretch far enough. Tie them together so you've got your lovely bracelet looking balloon, and then what you're going to do is you're going to position them equally either side of the ears, push them through the top twist and also through the bottom of the neck twist. And as you bring them around the front, you can push one into the other and that just locks them into place. When you bring them around the back, check that all the bubbles are still in place, otherwise you need to just quickly fix that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to bring that excess of balloon all the way up to the top to make the horn. And the nicest way of doing this is to pull it across each individual bubble, and that gives it a really nice, really pretty kind of braid look on the mane. Then when you bring it up the top, you've got just enough balloon to form the horn. Sometimes you need to squeeze a little bit of air into that final bit of balloon just to make it stick up, but for this one it's got just enough, and you want to adjust it so that it looks like a pretty proportioned horn and not too long, not too small. So that's looking a bit long, so we're just going to push it back down a little bit. Twist the back legs round if you need to, and then you can just give that to the child. They're going to absolutely love it, especially if it's a nice bright balloon. But if you have got a Sharpie, you've got a little bit more time, you can put on a little bit of detailing here. You can put maybe some eyelashes. If you're really good with designs, you can put some eyes on. I just do a couple of lines to make it look pretty. But there you have it, the quickest unicorn balloon. Do let me know in the comments down below what balloon you want me to do next in a super quick, fast way for line work and for when you're really pushed for time and you just need to get those balloons done ASAP. Let me know in the comments down below. Or if you have another design that you really love, let me know. I'd love to see it. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.